With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, the question says, in a potentiometer arrangement, a cell of EMF 1.2 volt is given a balance point at 30 centimeter. Length of the wire. Okay, so the cell is now replaced by another cell of unknown EMF. Okay, the ratio of the EMF of the two cells is 1.5. Now calculate the difference in the balancing length of the potentiometer wire in the two cases. Alright, so here you see, let me write the equation first. So we can write the unknown length, let me call it x dash, upon the unknown voltage v dash, or you can say the unknown, you can say the length in the first case upon the voltage in the first case must be equals to length in the second case upon voltage in the second case. Alright, so just put the values here. Now you see x dash is given to us, right? So x dash is given to us, which is nothing but x dash is 30 centimeter upon v dash. For the time being, let me call it v dash only. It must be equals to x double dash, which is unknown here, times what is v double dash. Now you see it is said 1.5 times. So I can write this v double dash as 1.5 times of v dash. Okay, so if you simplify the expression, then the value of x double dash will come out to be 30 into 1.5 centimeter. Now we don't require x double dash. What do we require is x double dash minus x dash. Okay, so the required length x double dash minus x dash, it will be how much? It would be your 30 times 1.5 minus 30, which is nothing but 15 centimeter. Thus the required difference in the balancing length is nothing but 15 centimeter. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.